Well, a breaking update is coming in as the ED heat seems to be back on Anil Ambani as he is now being summoned for questioning before the agency on the 5th of August. Earlier, when it comes to the anti-money laundering federal probe agency had carried out searches for at least 3 days at the business entities linked to Anil Ambani. Well, let's get in a word from Bhavtosh now. Bhavtosh, good morning. Anil Ambani, who's also the chairman and the managing director of the Reliance Group. And according to reports, what we are getting to know, that he's now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate for questioning in connection with the ongoing probe.
Good morning, Amita. Yes, he has been summoned. He has been summoned for next week. That's on 5th of August. Remember, ED had taken cognizance of 2 CBI FIR and various reports, including the report of the SEBI as well the report of Housing Board. Now, what ED had said is that in the raids and searches that were carried out last month, in fact, these searches lasted for over 72 hours. They had gathered various documents. And they have said that the loan that he had taken from the Yes Bank, and that loan, in fact, was worth at least 3,000 crore rupees. It was, in fact, diverted to various sister companies and shell companies. And they had said that he had, in fact, given bribes to, in fact, alleged bribes to the then promoters and founders of Yes Bank. And it was diverted to shell companies, which was, in fact, an illegal thing to do. And subsequently, they have also said that the RCOM loan was, in fact, had ballooned to over 14,000 crore rupees. And they have said that this was also something that is being investigated. In fact, a preliminary investigation is being done by various federal probe agency. Now, these are the illegality that has been found by the Enforcement Directorate. And that is the reason for the first time ED has summoned him to Delhi. That's on 5th of August. That would be done by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, even in 2020, Anil Ambani was summoned when Yes Bank was being investigated, but that was in different circumstances. And this would be done for the first time after the Enforcement Directorate carried out raids and searches at his premises. When he was, in fact, his premises was searched for over 72 hours. Now, he has been asked to come with various documents, and one has to wait and see whether he will be joining the investigation. But yes, ED sources have confirmed that he has been summoned and he will be asked to join the investigation next Tuesday.
All right, that's on the 5th of August. As far as the summons that have now been issued to Anil Ambani, the businessman who has been asked to appear before the agency for questioning. Bhavtosh, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Let's move on now and talk